Imagine heading out on a freezing winter morning, turning your key, and instead of that familiar roar, your diesel engine just groans and refuses to catch. Or maybe it finally starts, but coughs out a thick cloud of nasty black smoke that blankets your entire driveway. If your diagnostic tool is showing you a P067E code, your car is basically telling you there's a high voltage situation happening in the glow plug control circuit for cylinder number 6. Now, unlike gasoline engines that use spark plugs to get things moving, your diesel relies on pure high-pressure compression to ignite the fuel. But when the engine is cold, that compression needs a bit of a boost from a glow plug. Think of a glow plug like a tiny, incredibly powerful heating element in a toaster. It is threaded right into the cylinder head and gets literally red hot to prep the air for combustion. When your powertrain control module detects that the voltage going to the cylinder number 6 glow plug is way higher than it should be, it triggers this code and might even pop on that annoying check engine light. You really should not ignore this one because it leads to rough idling, terrible fuel economy, and those frustrating delayed starts that wear out your battery. First things first, you have to figure out exactly where cylinder number 6 is located on your specific engine because every manufacturer has a different layout and you do not want to waste time fixing the wrong part. Once you find it, do a thorough visual check of the wiring for any signs of melting, rubbing, or loose connector. A seasoned mechanic's trick that you won't find in most official manuals is to actually pull the glow plug out and carefully apply battery voltage to it. If it glows bright, angry red, you know the plug itself is working fine. But if it stays cold and dark, it is definitely dead. If the plug is good, you need to grab your digital volt ohm meter and start hunting. Check the glow plug timer and all related fuses. And here's a pro tip. Always test your fuses and fusible lengths while the circuit is actually under load, because a fuse can look perfectly fine until you actually try to push some real current through it. If you find voltage leaving the controller but not arriving at the plug, you're dealing with a short or an open wire somewhere in that harness. Take your time with this because a bad glow plug can sometimes trick the computer into thinking the whole control circuit is failing, even when it's just a simple hardware swap away from being fixed.